What's the meaning of annual? Annual. 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 Annual.
Annual refers to something that happens once every year. It can be used to describe events, reports, or activities that occur on a yearly basis. Annual events may include holidays, birthdays, or seasonal changes. Reports such as an annual financial report provide information about an organization's finances for the previous year. Similarly, an annual physical examination is a yearly checkup of one's health. By using the term annual, it signifies the importance and regularity of the event, report, or activity in question, stressing its consistent recurrence every year.